As a bus person, you are an important part of the smooth flow of the restaurant. 1. Greet guests and pour water. Ladies first. Lift glass from the table touching only the stem. Fill and place on right side of guest. 2. Remove any unused place setting from the table. 3. Go to the kitchen and get a bread basket and set up a plate of oil and vinegar with our seasoning and serve to table. It is your job to inspect the quality of these items before serving. Bread must be warm and not hard. If they request butter, it should be firm. 4. Refill bread, butter, and water throughout the dining experience. 5. Clear each course when all are finished, from the right side with the right hand. Ladies are always first. Use a large tray atop a tray stand. Never scrape plates in the dining room. Glasses in the middle, silverware on the side, and stack common plates. Quietly. 6. When replacing dropped or soiled silverware, bring them on a plate to the table and replace utensil by handling only the stem. 7. Clear oil and vinegar with the salad plates unless the guests request it to remain. 8. Remove bread basket with the main entree course or if requested to do so. 9. Remove salt and pepper shakers when clearing the entree plates. 10. Throughout service, remove all empty glassware and crumbs on tables after the entree service. 11. Clear all dessert plates before the guests leave the dining room. 12. Reset tables properly and uniformly and clean chairs. Make sure all tables' candles are lighted until the last guest in the room leaves. 13. Fold napkins each time someone leaves their seats. 14. If a napkin ever hits the floor, remove and replace it with a clean one. 15. Never take used silverware from plates and replace if on the table. 16. Keep backstations clean. 17. Only throw dirty laundry in the designated laundry basket. 18. Complete all opening and closing side work assignments. 19. Remain on the floor as much as humanly possible. Do not gather in groups or hang around the hostess station. 20. Remember, customer service is always a top priority. Again, if you have any questions, please contact your supervisor. Good luck!